Hello and welcome to Punk Science TV. I'm Dr. Mangier and today we're asking, why don't they get it? So the black hole principle as a theory of the universe has actually been extremely successful in predicting various phenomena, such as water coming out of black holes, gamma ray bursts and hurricanes. So the evidence suggests that this is really how the universe works. But before mainstream scientists can really take the theory on board, they're going to need to get over a few hurdles, and that's what we're talking about today on Punk Science TV. So number one is the black hole principle actually rests on the concept that consciousness is fundamental to the universe. So this explains why we're unable to see beyond the perception horizon. So the light that is beyond this barrier represents vibrations of consciousness that are beyond what we call the speed of light. So this is the interface between what is our world and the regions beyond. So this is a region of sort of what we call dark energy and dark matter. And consciousness as fundamental is actually a conclusion that some physicists have made because of quantum physics. So what they're saying is, because of something called the measurement problem, which is that the wave function is collapsed by our actual observation into a point particle, some physicists have actually concluded that consciousness is fundamental to the universe. So this is also what the black hole principle is predicated on, that there are many levels of consciousness to the universe, and we are usually only aware of what we call 3D, and the barrier to normal perception of this is the speed of light, the perception horizon. So I've also just mentioned the next principle, the next hurdle, and that is that the black hole principle says what we call the speed of light is not the speed limit of the universe. And in fact, Einstein said that nothing with mass can go faster than the speed of light. So that still is correct according to the black hole principle. But the speed of light is renamed the perception horizon, and instead of just being the full barrier of the entire universe, it's actually where light turns from light into matter and antimatter. And mainstream scientists don't understand that there are vast worlds beyond the speed of light, and that makes it difficult for them to understand how massive releases of energy can occur, such as fast radio bursts that are coming from these different realms. So when you understand that beyond the speed of light processes are coming into the areas below the speed of light, it starts to make more sense. So another hurdle to the acceptance of the black hole principle in the mainstream is that it's coming from outside of the scientific establishment. And even though people like Neil Torok, theoretical physicists, admitted that they are running out of ideas in science, they're still not really open to them coming outside of academia, even if these ideas actually do solve their own problems. So I'm a medical doctor, I'm not a physicist, and I actually believe it's because I'm not too attached to the mainstream narrative that the theory actually came to me in the first place. But it really is going to take some open-mindedness to sort of accept the theory. And in Punk Science TV, I've been highlighting lots of the issues facing modern astrophysicists and their findings that don't fit the theories. And as this data comes flooding in, maybe we'll actually see a change, and mainstream scientists will get over these hurdles to embrace the black hole principle. So we shall see. And I wonder if you can actually think of any other hurdles that mainstream scientists might have in accepting the black hole principle. So if you can think of something, leave a comment below this video. And thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe whilst you're here, and I shall see you next time. Thank you.